You think you got it all under control, don't you? That rage boiling under your skin that's just how men are, right? The stress is eating you alive is that's just part of life. Yeah. The way your wife avoids eye contact and how your kids walk on eggshells around you, that's normal. Come on, let's cut through that bullshit. If everything's fine, why does your life feel like a ticking time bomb strapped to a fucking dumpster fire? Why does it feel like no matter what you do, you're always this close to snapping? But you tell yourself you're handling it. You shove it down like a cheap gas station burrito, hoping it won't come back when you least expect it. And you convince yourself that the drinking, the zoning out, the constant scrolling, the stress eating, all the porn binges, this is normal. That these are just ways to unwind, right? Except you're not unwinding, you're unraveling. And when you see it or not, the people around you do. Your emotional wounds are costing you more than you can even begin to comprehend. They are bleeding all over every aspect of your life like a stuck pig at a backwoods slaughterhouse. And you're standing there pretending it's just a paper cut. You think your past doesn't matter? That what happened to you as a kid, what you learned about your emotions, about masculinity, about being a man, and that all of that just disappeared because you grew a beard and learned how to fix a leaky faucet? No, man, that shit is running the show. It's in the way your heart pounds like a war drum every time something doesn't go according to plan. In the way your hands shake when you get frustrated. The way your chest tightens like a goddamn bear trap when life throws you a curveball. You want control, but deep down, you know you don't have it. You're ruled by emotions that you don't even know how to name. And instead of dealing with it, you lash out, you numb out, or you just check out completely. And let's talk about your marriage because, oh boy, it's like taking a hit. Your wife, she wants you. She wants the man she married, the one who made her feel safe, the one who made her laugh, the one who looked at her like she was the only woman on earth. But now you barely see her. And when you do, half the time you're too lost in your own head to actually be present. And she feels it. That distance. The lack of intimacy, and I'm not just talking about sex. Though, let's be real. When was the last time that felt exciting and not like a chore? When was the last time she craved you? Not out of obligation, but because she really wanted you. Oh, and you think it's her fault. You think she's just not in the mood anymore. Come on, man. She's not turned on by a guy who's emotionally unavailable, cold, and carrying around a backpack full of unresolved mommy or daddy issues. And your kids, they're watching this. They see it all, the way you react, the way you handle stress, the way you don't handle your emotions. They're learning from you. And whether you mean to or not, you're teaching them that feelings are dangerous, that expressing themselves leads to anger, that love, real, open, vulnerable love has conditions. Is that how you want to be teaching them? If you don't break that cycle, guess what? They're going to grow up carrying the same damn wounds, the same unspoken pain, the same toxic patterns. Hey, it's not just ruining your relationships, is it? It's wrecking your body too. When was the last time you woke up feeling good? Not just not tired, but energized. When was the last time your body didn't feel like a broken down car running on fumes? Your stress, your buried emotions, they live in your body. That gut that won't go away, no matter how many times you say, I'm going to start dieting on Monday, and that stress, that constant tightness in your shoulders, that's years of carrying emotional weight you never unpacked. That brain fog, the exhaustion, the feeling like you're dragging yourself through every damn day. That's your nervous system being fried like a meth head's brain at a truck stop casino. And don't even get me started on how much it's costing you in your career. You might be making money, but are you really thriving? Are you building something real? Or are you stuck in the same miserable cycle, working your ass off, but feeling like no matter how much you grind, you're still one bad month away from a financial disaster. Because when your mind is in a war zone, you don't take risks. You don't think big. You don't make power moves. You stay stuck because your fear of failure is stronger than your hunger for success. And that's costing you millions over your lifetime. So let's break this down. Your unhealed wounds are robbing you of real connection with your wife. And let's be honest, real sex too. A relationship with your kids that isn't based on fear or distance. Peace of mind. Because when's the last time your brain actually shut the hell up? A body that actually feels good to live in, a career that excites you, not just pays the bills, and most importantly, the chance to actually enjoy your damn life instead of just surviving in it. Well, what's it going to be here, man? Are you going to keep pretending, keep doing the same shit, hoping this time it'll magically fix itself? Or are you finally ready to do the work and to take your life back? Because here's the truth. You can break this cycle. You can heal these old emotional wounds. You can become the man you are meant to be, but it's not going to happen by accident. It's going to take a lot of work. It's going to take facing the shit you've been running from. And I know that's scary. I was there. I know it feels overwhelming. But I also know this. If you don't deal with it now, you will deal with it later. And by then, the cost is going to be higher. So if you're ready for that, if you're ready to stop letting your past own you and start actually living again, I want you to click the damn link in the description down below and schedule a free call with me. There's no fluff here, no bullshit, just real talk between two guys talking about solutions and a real path forward, because you deserve that. Your family deserves that. And if you don't do it for you, do it for them. And before you go, drop a comment. Tell me what part of this video hits you the hardest. Because if there's something in here that stung, that means it's true. And if it's true, it's time to do something about it. Like this video, please. Subscribe. Don't miss what's coming next, okay? Get out there, destroy your limitations, reclaim your strength, and go build your fucking legacy.